Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify feature engineering outputs with Feature Store in Databricks. Quick to begin by logging into your Databricks workspace. Navigate to the workspace where your feature store is located. In the left sidebar, select Data to access the data settings. Locate and click on Feature Store within the data interface. Choose the specific feature set you want to verify. Click on the feature set to open its details page. Review the feature definitions presented. Check the metadata for the feature set, including names, types, and descriptions. Ensure the data types match your expectations for each feature. Next, navigate to the Preview tab within the feature set details. Click the Preview button to view the sample data. Examine the rows of data displayed to ensure consistency. Cross-reference a subset of this data with your original data source. To validate transformations, run a query or use Databricks notebooks. Enter the relevant SQL or Python code to retrieve the same features. Compare the output from your query with the data shown in the Preview tab. Look for discrepancies in the output values. If discrepancies are found, review the transformation logic applied. Adjust or document any necessary changes in the logic. After verifying accuracy, proceed to check the feature store's lineage. Click on the Lineage tab to view how features are derived. This will give you insight into upstream sources impacting the feature set. Record any additional dependencies that may need verification. Once completed, document your verification process. Summarize your findings in a report for future reference. Finally, if everything is in order, you're ready to use the verified features in your models. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.